Hey everyone, this is a Harbor Breeze Meriden. I have two of these. They're not very good fans, unfortunately. They're kind of cool looking, but they're junk. I mean, we have like one switch housing screw in because the switch housing did not want to like cooperate. So this is not a very good fan. It goes very, very slow and it really doesn't blow much air at all. Though I guess it's a cool design. But it's nothing to write home about. Oh, there we go. Here's medium. This fan is just not good. It doesn't really blow any air. I guess on high it blows a little bit of air. But it's really slow. But I guess it's cool. Just want light bulbs for it. Yeah, it doesn't really blow much air at all. Thank you for watching. Bye.